You know, it's a funny thing when you're a kid, because I still remember praying at night when I was a kid. You know, please bring me a go-kart and a mini bike and a monster truck. I wanted to be a monster truck. And it's funny when you go through life, sometimes you got to be careful what you ask for. Okay, because I wanted a monster truck. I got a monster truck. Ain't exactly what I had in mind, but I'm going to tell you a little something about this monster truck. I've had this monster truck for 20 years now. Now, I never had a whole awful lot. I'm like a lot of you folks. I came from a pretty poor family. And, but I'll tell you what, this truck paid for my house. And my house is paid off. And just over the years doing shows, this is a major piece of equipment. So I got to be a monster truck driver. Maybe not what I thought I would be, but nonetheless, I have a monster truck. Now, do you boys and girls know what's coming up next out here? Monster Freestyle. That's right, young man. Monster Freestyle. Now, I'm always saying, I got a monster truck. Why can't I be into freestyle? Well, I finally figured it out, because I don't want to become a speed bump. But we are getting ready for Monster Freestyle. But before we go, and I thought maybe you kids would like it if I did a little freestyle of my own out here. What do you think, boys and girls? Do a little freestyle with my monster truck? Yeah? Yeah, who the man? Show me some love! All right. Let's see if I can do this without hurting myself.
That's just wow.
Hi there, little one.
That's all it is.
Want to go for a ride in my monster truck?